The next step of the interdisciplinary research process is to conduct the literature search, or the literature review. This is the process of gathering scholarly information on a given topic from journals, books, conference papers, and more. We have several goals during this step. We will use the literature search to confirm that the topic is appropriate for interdisciplinary study, and if it is, we will also identify the most relevant disciplinary perspectives and their insights. We will also use this process to summarize what we already know about the topic and what we still don't know about it. This step requires us to understand how to conduct a literature search, why it is essential to the overall IRP, and how to overcome some of the challenges we might face. Our success in this step also depends on our success in the previous 3 steps. If at any point we struggle during step 4, we should consider whether we need to go back to one of the previous steps and make different decisions. For example, maybe we need to narrow the stated problem or research question, or maybe we need to expand it. Step 4 can be divided into 2 phases. The initial literature search, which can begin as early as step 1, and the full-scale literature search, which must be completed before moving on to step 5. We will cover these 2 phases in more detail in this lecture.